is it we're going anyway? Because these are not the roads that I want to be riding.
So we're going to do, firstly, really quick, we're going to do the 13 bends of Bakewell.
Okay.
And it's a road with 13 bends on.
Okay.
We are currently in Bakewell.
Where's my pudding?
There's no pudding, just bends. It should be the 13 puddings of Bakewell. Just 13 Bakewell puddings.
I feel a bit fat after that.
So we're going to do that quick. It's only about 1 kilometre long. I don't know how much that is in miles.
Not even a mile, is it?
Yeah, it's a short bit of road, but there's 13 bends. That's its claim to fame.
Where's these bends then?
You'll see a sign that says 13 bends. What you'll have to do is count the bends and see if the fabled 13 bends is true, because it's controversial, you know. I looked into it.
I'm not going to be counting anything. I'll be counting my chickens that I'm still alive.
Here you go, look.
It does say 13 bends. Correct.
This is the 13 bends of Bakewell. I don't know, I've never done it. We'll turn around and do the 13 bends.
That's it, done.
Right, we need to turn around anyway, so we'll pull up and I'll sort my GPS out quick on here, this junction.
What junction?
Right here, this is literally giveaway line. Oh my god. It's alright. I'll catch This is part of the 13 bends of Bakewell right here. Right, so, the 13 bends of Bakewell.
Take two.
Take two. See, this is nice.
If there was no other cars, yeah.
Well, I'm not going to be going much faster than this, am I? Well, that was the 13 bends.
It was.
The 13 bends of Bakewell with added banter, right there.
I think it was the 13 bends of Bakewell with added buses. Not banter. Oh, where are we going now? Where's the next destination? Hopefully somewhere I can get some nosh.
Yeah, there is. It is Nosh is the next stop.
Where?
So there's a roundabout, and you want to go all the way around the roundabout, and it's the last exit. You see that car park that we're going past now?
Yes.
No, I think there's a cafe there.
Cafe?
It looked like quite a nice one as well on the pictures. I went on the old Google Maps. Where are you going? I said last exit. You're awful at following directions. Where you going? You're flipping gone.
I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Flipping out. I could just hear like glitchy laughing because I'm losing connection.
Well, where are you?
I've just gone into here because I didn't want to go into the car park and disconnect.
Oh, you did?
Because the quoted flipping 2 kilometre range of these headsets is a lie.
It's like 2 meters.
Yeah, well, social distance in headsets, isn't it?